Yo, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the breakdown with DJ Odyssey, and I am DJ Odyssey. Of course, that's me. Hey man, you're looking at me today. First of all, thank you for 1,000 subscribers. I really appreciate that. Keep viewing my videos, my tutorials. I'm hoping that you're learning something from what I'm doing every day for you, for me, and for you. So today I want us to just do a little thing like we're just doing it's just one of those FL Studio tricks. Someone asked me like, yo, I have these JE sample packs, but I don't know how to make them look like yours on FL Studio. So now, without wasting time, I'm just gonna show you. It's just a small trick. It's only gonna take like 5 minutes and then we're done, so that everybody can go on with their lives, right? So the first thing, to make sure your pegs are on this side. People want to see the pegs like this, you know, like this. So the first trick is to come into options and then file settings, and from file settings you click on one of these folders on the side, and then you can go to where you have copied your JE sample packs. And let's say I'm gonna look for mine, and then documents, I've just copied them now so that we can actually work on this. So then I'll just look for JE sample packs, then I click on these. This is JE sample packs 1 up to 5, and then I just go OK. And immediately after clicking OK, you can see that JE sample packs are here now, and then I can actually play them. And that was a very simple trick. Another way to actually do this is to, okay, let me just say I'll remove this. So when you remove them, you just backspace and then done, and then when you close this, it's gone. And then another way is to just come here where they are, JE sample packs, and then drag it and then put it on this side, and then here we go, it's there. And then when you go into file settings, you're gonna find JE sample packs, and that's how easy everything is. And then for more of these things, let me know what else you want to see. So this is how you actually do this. It's very simple. Thank you for watching. My name is DJ Odyssey, and again, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Whatever that you want to know, I'll show you if I know how to. And then so yeah, thank you. And again, thank you for 1,000 subscribers. I really appreciate that, man. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart, yeah.